Welcome! This video shows you how to double-cut vinyl contract wall covering. Contract wall covering is designed with the project market in mind. It's extremely durable and hard-wearing, making it ideal for hotels, restaurants, and other places with a high footfall. At the time of delivery, this type of vinyl wall covering isn't edged, and consequently cannot be hung edge to edge. Large quantities of this type of wall covering are often required. The rolls are simply packaged to minimize packaging material at the job site. They're heavy, and the edges can become damaged during transportation. With double cutting, these edges are removed, giving you a perfect result nonetheless. In the case of contract wall covering, you have a roll width and a nominal width. The roll width is the gross width of the drop, such as at the time of delivery. The nominal width is the net width, the width remaining after double cutting. First, we will show you how to tackle plain wall covering. We will then explain how to seamlessly align patterns when double cutting. Using a laser, draw a perpendicular line at your starting point. Position the first drop against it. Press firmly using a spatula or rubber roller. Cut off the drop at the ceiling and skirting board with a sharp snap-off blade knife. Use a new blade for each cut. For the next drop, measure the nominal width from the edge. Here you draw another perpendicular line. Hang the second drop against this perpendicular line. It will overlap with the first drop. Cut through the drops in the middle of the overlapping part along a cutting ruler. You can use a snap-off blade knife for this. Make sure that you do not cut too deeply, damaging the wall. Now remove the two cut-off drops. Press the seam using a seam roller. Follow the same procedure for the following drops. To work more efficiently, you can draw all the perpendicular lines in one go. For that, calculate the nominal width each time. In this instance, we're working with a product measuring 130 centimeters in nominal width. Hang the next drop against the perpendicular line. Once again, it will overlap with the previous one. Instead of using a snap-off blade knife, you can also use a special double cutter. Make a small incision at the top and bottom, helping you to easily position the double cutter behind the two layers. Cut through the drops in a single smooth movement. Make sure not to raise the wall covering from the wall, as that will give you some surplus. If you're using patterned wall covering, start in the same way. Draw a perpendicular line at your starting point. Hang the first drop against it. Measure the nominal width from the edge again. Once again, draw a perpendicular line across this distance. Hang the second drop onto the paste against this perpendicular line, but do not press it yet. It will overlap with the first drop. On the first drop, indicate where the second drop will end using pieces of masking tape. Do so at various heights. Raise the second drop slightly at the top and move it horizontally until the pattern aligns. The pieces of tape will show you exactly where the edge must be. Now raise the bottom part and position this neatly against the tape at the correct height. Then press the drop. Remove the tape. Cut away the excess section at the top and bottom. Make a small cut in the overlapping section at the top and bottom. Double cut through the drops. Remove the pieces that have been cut loose. Press the seam. The pattern now aligns perfectly. Thank you for watching, and good luck!